This is Chef Josh with Kaiyo Sushi Catering. I'm here again tonight with Turbot. Nice, flaky, light seared fish. You can sear it, you can grill it, however you prefer. We'll start off with the topside fillet. Okay. Very much similar to halibut. Okay. I'm gonna start cutting the backbone, which runs straight across right here. Okay. Go ahead and turn this. Make an incision here, right around, and turn my knife here so I can This fish is typically found in European waters. It's also considered a luxurious delicacy. I will be serving this with bok choy and some potatoes and a nice light tomato sauce. Work over that one. Go over this side. Yeah. Yeah. Trim off the edge here. Hardly any bones in this one, so we'll go ahead and take the spine off. Oops. Okay. It's our first side. I'll go ahead and do the second side as well. This side is a little bit tricky because it has all of your guts on one end. I'm trying to work as clean as I can here. That one off. Cut that side off. So again, some people eat this. I don't prefer eating this. It's not enough portion for me. So go ahead and finish our top side. And go ahead and flip this side. Our butter side here. There's 4 different quarters. We did the 2, the top. We'll do the top 2. That's the sound we're looking for. Get over that spine bone, it's a lot easier. Just hear that. Yep. almost there. Yeah. Trying to do some nice caramelization on that. Very nice. Just a little bit more. Meanwhile, I'll try to get this side off. Okay. Flip this over. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Nice caramelization on that. Try not to cut through the guts here. Yep. Turn that one off. Okay, with the remaining stuff, you can make a broth out of it. Okay. I will be getting rid of this side because it has guts on one end. Okay, this is what I want to show. Okay. Excuse me, this part is a little gory, so I will just dump this out. My turbot is filleted out in 4 different sections. Since we quartered it out, 2 fillets on each side. So I got the two sides from each side, and then whatever the leftover carcass is, we'll make a fish stock out of that one. It's one of the best fish stocks, actually. Okay, then next, I will show you how to skin this. This is a very commonly used technique to skin the fish. Now, our goal is to utilize yield as much as we can off the skin. So the goal is to hold your blade 45 degrees at a 45-degree angle and just gently start pulling back on the skin. It takes time to get used to that, but this should be like your final product right here. This is a nice flaky fish, not too fatty. So when we work with it this evening, we'll be pan frying it and we'll be adding some butter to it so it doesn't dry out. It stays moist while it's still cooking. Okay, I'll set this here. I'll go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Get rid of the outer layer. And yes, I am using my sushi knife. It's personal preference. You can use any type of knife that you feel comfortable with. I've just worked with this knife for a very long time, so I'm very comfortable using it. This fish tends to have a really hard skin, kind of like similar to tuna, but more leathery. Okay. Same thing, angle it down, hold it, and voila. Barely any meat left on there. Okay. Just trim out the outside. Okay.